Modernization of clinical trial criteria has been one of the big bugaboos for those of us doing research and for patients. Trials have gotten very complicated over the years. We used to have, 5 to 10 entry criteria. Now we're up to like 30 sometimes. And the idea, it's gotten very hard. One is it doesn't reflect real world patients. When you make clinical trials so complicated, you have no real world patients. So when you have a positive study and it gets to the real world, either the drugs don't work so well or you're running into issues that don't meet the clinical trial criteria because you've so selected them, which is obviously very important, number one. Number two is that it's a very frustrating thing because nothing is harder than to talk to patients about clinical trial participation. Remember, clinical trial accrual is stuck at about 3% right now, and it's been there for years, and we need to do better, right? I mean, cancer is a disease where we need to find better treatments. Even though we've made a lot of headway, we've got a long way to go. So we need to move that dial. And we're making it hard on ourselves. A lot of it's for right reasons, right? Safety, tolerability, wanting to pick good patients for studies. But there has to be some kind of modicum. One is to make it easier for patients to enroll on. Two is to lessen the frustration. I mean, nothing is harder for somebody when you take them near the finish line and they can't enroll for what sometimes seems to be arbitrary criteria. We never want to compromise safety, right? Safety is first. But there's a lot of gray zone. And the idea with this huge effort by ASCO and Friends of Cancer Research is to help increase the ability of patients to enroll in clinical studies. And this is one of the ways we're looking at it.